Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. I'm back here with another accessory for the Avata 2. Now, this accessory was sent out to us by STARTRC. This is a flight drone strobe. In the box, you're going to receive the starter manual. You'll also get 2 of these rubber bands, and these are what's going to secure the strobe onto your drone. You also receive a USB-A to USB-C cable for charging it. There's a little USB-C input right here on the back. Once you have it secured, you'll be able to turn this on by just holding this down for about 3 seconds, and it should turn the light on. Once you see that it is on, you can then go through and switch through the different modes. Now, there's a number of different light sequences that you can set up here. Each one of them is going to be slightly different. It's just a matter of, which of these you actually need for your drone. So you can kind of cycle through all of those, but it's really nice to have this. Then when you're ready to turn it off, really simply soft press one time and then hold it, and it should turn the strobe off. So this is going to be ideal for, again, regardless of what type of drone you have. This is going to be great for night flights so that you'll be able to easily locate your drone when it's in the air, line of sight. As well, if there was a catastrophic failure and you had to recover your drone, this is going to make it much easier for you to be able to find it. So definitely take a look at this. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.